Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing these command strips. So these are the value pack and 8 pairs of extra large picture hanging strips. So 20 pounds, weight limit, and these are very heavy duty for hanging picture frames on your wall without leaving residue, without any drills, any tools. Here's the back. I use these all the time. Instructions real quick. Alright, let's get into it. So I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can order these from, where I got these from. Nope, that wasn't that clean. Let's get into it. Wow, 8 pairs. So there's 4 of these strips in here, 4 total. They're perforated, so you just take like so, take 2 of them. Then they are kind of like some Velcro-y technology. You just click it together. Super secure. Then it turns into kind of like a double-sided sticky tape sort of thing. Put it on the back of the frame. And yeah, hang it to the wall. These work really well. Cool. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of these, and I will catch you all for the next unboxing video. Take care, everyone. Later.